Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creative by Fabi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today I'm so excited because I want to share with you how I make a beautiful farmhouse Christmas decor using Dollar Tree items and recycled items and also some paint from Walmart. So let's get creative. So materials you will need: some foam board from the store, some any fabric, and some corrugated cardboard, a styrofoam stuff that I recycle, lace ribbon, and also some antique wax, and also some chalk paint, any color, and also some brown paint. So let's get creative. So first I'm going to be drawing a trees on the foam board using the ruler. I didn't measure anything at all. I just did it eyeballing. So I draw a tree and then I use the box cutter, and then I use the first tree as a stencil, and then I just start cutter smaller and smaller, as you can see. So next you can see I already have the three foam trees, and now I'm going to be working with the fabric and also with some twine. So next I'm going to be cutting the fabric in the same shape of the tree, and then I'm going to be using some hot glue and cover the entire tree, as you can see. So for the next part, for the back, I'm going to be kind of folding a little bit the fabric to not show it the ends, something like that. And then I'm going to be repeating the same step, but I'm not going to be using the same fabric at the same time. I'm going to be cutting small pieces, just like so. And then I'm going to be repeating the same step, cutting pieces by pieces, and then until I finish the entire tree, just like so. Next I'm going to be using some popsicle sticks, and I'm going to be cutting the end, and then I'm going to be placing it on the part of the tree to create the trunk, just like so. And I'm going to be doing the same in both sides, and also on the edges I'm going to be covering the space with another popsicle stick, just like so. And now I'm going to be using the twine around the entire tree. On the first side I'm going to be using only on the edges, and for the next part I'm going to be placing on the center as well, just like so, to create like a 3D tree. And so you can use it for both sides, and for both sides will look beautiful. And now I'm going to be using this corrugated paper that I recycle for furniture packing, and I'm going to be using it. So what I did was just trace the same tree, and then I'm going to be using hot glue and then glue it in both sizes. So next I cut a long piece of fabric, and then I kind of stretch it a little bit to create like a string, and then I just glue it on the edges of the tree. So next I did use a little bit of antique wax just to kind of give it that distressing look, and also the chalk paint, the color moss. And now for the last little tree I'm going to be using the lace ribbon, and all I'm going to be doing is just wrapping around the entire tree. I did use two packets on this little tree, and then I did repeat the same step I did in the first one to use the popsicle stick. The only difference I did was just that I glued the popsicle stick in vertical side. For the next part I'm going to be using the styrofoam that I did recycle as well, and just to measure a little bit where I want to place my little trees, and then I just painted with the paint color brown, and then I added a lot of hot glue, and then I placed my trees, just like so. And at the end what I did was just give it a little bit the mush color chalk paint on the edges just to give it that distressed weather look. And that's it. And I think it came out beautiful. Yeah, I really love the way it came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Ciao ciao.